That's from Grandma and Granddaddy in Georgia. Need help?
Yay!
Right here, I'll help you open it, Matt.
You open this box.
Whoa.
Is that, what is that, Legos? Legos, that's awesome.
What's that? The blue.
Yeah, those are balloons. I don't think that's the gift, Pumpkin. But that's okay. If you like those, you can play with those too.